has taken initiatives and concrete steps to promote sports and games. The Amity University football team has played a number of national level games. We have co-sponsored the IPL, which includes the Delhi Daredevils and the Rajasthan Royals. And just recently, let me share with you, and most of you have taken part from the AUG in a half marathon which had the slogan of Run for the Safety of Women. The entire show was more or less sponsored and organized by Amity University. So we are taking interest and we are contributing to games and sports at the national level, and we will continue to do so. We started this year's function of Sangathan 2014 on 28th August, and during this past 1 month, we have more or less covered 40 events. 3 years back, when I organized the first Sangathan, we started with 24 events. Mr. Asim Chauhanji at that point of time told me to add many more events to the events that we were organizing. And today we have come to the 40 mark, and we will continue improving, and we'll continue adding more and more disciplines in which we will organize Sangathan 2015. Now, I would like to place on record my vote of thanks to various committees which have worked day and night to organize this event. The first committee is the Cultural Committee, which has worked tirelessly to put up the show which you have seen today. I would also like to thank the Organizing Committee, the Administration Committee, the Awards Committee, the Logistics Support Committee, the Media Coverage Committee, and a special thanks to our sports officer, headed by Mr. Hansraj, Mr. Baiju Kumar, Mr. Rakesh Kumar, and our new inductee, Ms. Sonika. I would also like to place on record my sincere gratitude to our marshals and MTC instructors who made possible the march past that you saw today. They tirelessly worked with the students for the last 3 days and brought them up to the standard that you saw today. I would like to also place on record my sincere thanks to my assistant, Mr. Yogesh Kumar. My gratitude to the Vice Chancellor for his advice and his knowledge about administration and sports. In fact, he has a wealth of knowledge which is based on his long experience as a Vice Chancellor of Delhi Technical University and Bhopal University. I would also like to place on record my gratitude to the Deputy Vice Chancellor, who has time and again given me advice and told me how to go about organizing this show. Also my gratitude to the Pro Vice Chancellor for the advice and support that she has rendered. And last but not least, my immense gratitude to Mr. Asim Chauhanji, who has given us tremendous support financially in terms of advice. For the last 3 Sangathans, he's been suggesting and recommending certain changes which are to be brought about. We have, sir, tried to implement the changes that you have asked us to bring about, and we will continue improving as we go along. We have just finished honoring our athletes for their achievements. My message to them: winners never quit and quitters never win. Therefore, continue striving for greater achievements in the field of sports. I will end by saying that champions are not made in gyms and on playfields. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them. Champions are made by a burning desire, a dream, and more importantly, a vision. With this, I conclude my vote of thanks. I would now request esteemed Mr. Aseem Chauhan to declare Sangathan 2014 at MIT University, Gurgaon as closed.
I declare Sangathan 2014 at MIT University, Gurgaon closed.